Now, the rib cage area is really designed for rotation and side flexion. So that's the biggest movement pattern that we have there. When we're doing our abdominal curls and our extension work, that's the secondary movement pattern that that area of the body is designed for. So it's not a surprise that it's the hardest movement for us to do is to do flexion in the thoracic area and extension in the thoracic area. So I'm going to teach you now how to do the rib cage tilts. So that's like lying on your back and doing your pelvic tilts, but we're going to do it with the ribs. So I'm going to get Fleur to bend her knees and put her feet on the ground, and then just slowly roll back until you're resting on top of that soft stability ball. So it should sit sort of in the mid part of your shoulder blades, and then support your head with your hands. Now, in this position, bring your legs even closer so you've got more support. Really let your ribs rest on top of that ball. And now we're going to think about taking that breastbone and we're going to tip it backwards, feeling how the spine moves up towards the breastbone. And now she's going to soften her breastbone and she's going to feel how her spine lengthens into the ball. And she's going to make sure that she's not pulling on her neck, but that she's just moving her ribs and just literally tilting over the ball where she is, so that she can gradually open the front of the chest and then open the back of the ribs. Beautiful. And then just gently roll sideways to come off the ball and sitting back up. So it's not about how far you go, it's more about the clarity that you can make between how the breastbone softens and the spine lengthens, how the spine moves the breastbone forward. So we're shortening in the back and opening in the front. So it's a delicious movement to do, and you shouldn't have any neck pain doing that. If you are feeling that you've got some neck pain there, it means that you've just done way too much. You've gone too far, or you're just not ready for it. So pause for that one. Don't do that one if it doesn't feel right. And of course, if you've got osteoporosis or any other sort of significant bone deterioration, you would not want to do something quite that extreme. Now, if you're enjoying this series, please feel free to subscribe below so that you never miss another episode. And also have a look in the notes below. You will find a link to take you to the Teach Pilates with Confidence Academy. We'll find all the inspiration that you need to keep teaching with clarity and confidence.